បាទសួស្តីមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រឡប់មកវិញសាជាថ្មីជាមួយនឹង topic មួយទៀតអំពី Excel formula ហើយដែលយើង reply ទៅនៅក្នុង reporting problem ពីបញ្ហាទៅលើ report ក្នុងនោះមានមិត្តនៅក្នុង group របស់ខ្ញុំបាទគាត់ចោទសួរអំពី formula ដែលត្រូវបញ្ចូលទៅក្នុង Excel worksheet ដែល formula នោះជជែកអំពីតើគាត់ត្រូវ tracking item របស់គាត់បញ្ចូលជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃហើយគាត់ចង់បាន last date របស់ item ហ្នឹងតើយើងត្រូវចូល formula មិនដើម្បីនឹងអាចទាញយកបានក្នុងនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញគាត់ឈ្មោះ Dan Friends ហើយគាត់ថា Hi I'm hoping you can help me I got a spreadsheet of tracking spending with the following column A date, column B amount, column C item. Then I have run the total of each at the top of the sheet which work using a sum product sum if statement, but I like to keep a track of last date. An item was entered into a sheet. Can anyone advise how could I achieve this place? Okay. ហើយខ្ញុំក៏ reply ទៅគាត់វិញថា you can use smart if ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើវីដេអូមួយប្រាប់ទៅគាត់វិញដូច្នេះខ្ញុំសាកល្បងនឹងបង្ហាញទៅវិញថាតើយើងធ្វើវាម៉េច smart if នៅក្នុងនេះយើងចំណងជើងនេះគឺ keep a track of the last date and item entered. First, the formula need to use is smart and if using array. This is very important of the array. First, you have to have data sample, date, amount, and item as per request. And second, format as table from A3 to C17, easy to do formula. And third, name table as TBL sales from a reference to write into the formula. Fourth, range B1, name it as criteria. The fourth here, which means that this criteria of item that you want to search, you want to know, you want to keep track of that item. So you can key in range B1, but this name should be name is a criteria easy to write in the formula. So the fifth write formula below. Mark if TBL sales, yes, the TBL sale that we have name it here, and item is from the item equal to criteria here, and then TBL sales date, and we got the date and we do the mark here, then press Ctrl Shift Enter. Let's see in Excel file. Okay, for example, I have the data here and we have only two items, one is orange, one is banana, and we have different date and different amount here. So first I have to format as table, so whatever table you prefer, and don't forget to tick this one table as header, click OK. So I got the table main column, then I name it as TBL sales. Okay, so this is TBL sales, and then range B1 I highlight it, and I also do the formula here, define name. So define name, I will put the name as criteria. I click OK. Okay, let's you see the formula. Okay, so this B1 have been changed to criteria. This table will have the name of TBL sales. So I do the formula next to this one. Okay, range C1, do the formula max if TBR, sorry, TBR sales item. Okay, so TBR sales item equal to criteria. Okay, this criteria, then TBR sales date. Okay, just like that, and you press Ctrl Shift Enter. So I change it to date and like this date. Okay, or date like this date. Okay, easy to see. Then I try to do it like orange. Then the MAC is 8. You can see here 8 here, orange. And banana. So banana is 10 here, is the MAC one. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, អូខេអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនានិងការចំណាយពេលវេលាជាមួយខ្ញុំបាទ Thanks for watching and spending time with me. Hope you enjoy this video, and this kind of video just contained in YouTube/C/RealOptimumService and Facebook/RealOptimumService only. សូមជួយ subscribe អ្នកមួយផងសម្រាប់បានជាកម្លាំងចិត្តបន្តធ្វើវីដេអូផ្សេងទៀតបាទសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា